One of my favourite people in the CFS or chronic illness world is Dr. Lionel Lubitz, and he was the head of Royal Children's Hospital. He wrote the foreword for my book. I worked with him closely as I developed this program many, many years ago. And he said to me, Toby, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. And it is so true. I remember at the time, and because I saw him as a patient, I was really, really sick. I was one of his worst clients. And he said to me, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. It's how you go about it. You don't want to do too much, but you don't want to do too little. And at the time, I didn't really understand what he meant by it's not what you do, it's how you do it. But now I totally do. And so we help our members inside our program to go about it appropriately. I remember I had one client who invested in our program, and I think it was like 3 months in, and she was like still stressing out about everything and really like, oh my God, like I'm not watching all the videos, and typical type A personality, like perfectionist. And we had a coaching session, and I said, hey, you didn't come here to do this. You didn't invest this money to do what you're doing. You invested it to do the opposite of what you're doing. So let's stop. Let's slow it down. Let's do it step by step and not overwhelm yourself and come from this place of, fear and desperation. And the most amazing thing happened. She literally within a month had the biggest mindset shift, and she fundamentally changed her approach. And of course, when she changed her approach, she started to get better. That same lady we're talking about is traveling the world with her family. She's got 2 kids. She's creating new opportunities for her life. She's looking at different business ideas now and is just really living a great life. And so, it's just important that we really just take stock for a moment and question, how are we going about things? Because if we have to beat something, it means there's a competition. It means there's a fight. It means it's going to be tough, potentially ugly. And we're already preconceiving that there's this thing that's in the way, where I believe this thing is helping you get on the way, and you just need to actually do the right things at the right time and have a good approach about it, and it's going to really help you move forwards.